How many you in account for this side? I don't even know.
Pork.
But
No, like his mouth stuck in my finisher.
yes, at the farmers. We just killed a pig.
Now I'm a public figure.
Rihanna.
See this one, now only two days born. I
Look
they
at
don't,
me where's my shirt.
they don't sell the rest.
So, good day everyone. This is me in my pig farm where this is when we just entered, going through, checking the animals and everything. You can see how active the pigs are and everything. You can hear the noise, you can hear their noise and everything. This was early in the morning, probably like 11 a.m. They've taken their morning food because they feed them once in a day, and they clean their pens every day. The place is washed. You can see how neat the pigs are and how healthy they are. Seeing how they are jumping up and down. These are winners that they just removed from their mother. So this is me when I was trying to give them treats. That's a banana leaf with me. So I was trying to give them the treat so they can eat it, and also this is me trying to feed it, and you can see very well they eat it quite well because pigs are pigs are very good converters of waste, and they can eat anything and they convert everything to fat. That's why you see they grow like very big and everything. So I continue feeding them and giving them the banana leaf. You can see how they are eating it and they are very active, and they've eaten this morning, but you see the food is not to waste. I
If you
just
say
tried
they
to
on
like
diet.
I just wanted to give them the leaves to like test them and see how they will react to eating it, and you can see they are eating it well. This one actually tried to drag it from me, tried dragging it away from my hand, but I had no option but to let it go. So you can see they are eating the leaves
Damn.
very well. I also
See how the
tried
dog.
giving I also tried giving the that pig the dry leaf that was on top of the shed of the house, and you see it ate it well, and they are quite friendly with me also because they did not attack or do anything to me. So these I continue
This
feeding them, but I gave this
cocoa
one
leaf.
I gave them cocoa leaf. You can see this one's from this fish pen. You can see how they are eating it and enjoying everything.
I just go sell this place.
You can see
Yeah.
how active they are, and they are trying to like eat it. So I still continue feeding them because I gave probably all of them the treat and everything. So this from this pen, these ones are much bigger. I guess they are probably 4 to 5 months, I guess. But I don't know their month because I did not ask about this one. So you can see they were eating it. So we continued feeding them because I was not alone. I was not alone in the visitation. So we continued feeding them. Everybody was giving them what we wanted to give them. So you can see, and they are eating it well, and they are quite friendly.
Give this ones. Give these ones. Eh.
Oh yeah, I don't go.
So continue on. We when we gave them the glasses finish, I tried entering. This was a pregnant. This is a pregnant. So this is a pregnant pig. So I tried going to like touch it and see how. But like I guess I was scared out. I was too scared to get close to it. So I got out immediately. So I was too scared, but with the this still the same pig, but we later bonded after I gave it. So not that I was scared of it, but I was just due to the reaction it gave me.
Yeah.
I had to
So
like leave
this
it and
cocoa.
everything. So this cocoyam, this is the cocoyam leaf. I cut it for the same pregnant pig that I was scared of. I cut it for him, and you can see I gave it the leaf directly from my hand. So I was not like scared of it, but you can see, and they are eating it well. You see, pigs, they don't waste anything. They eat, they try and eat everything. Even if I'm not careful and my hand is there, probably they eat my hand and you don't know what you say.
One more.
You can see it is eating it very well.
One female like that, it will bring out like 45,000 pieces. 45,000.
This still the pregnant pig. I guess I bonded with it very well. I tried giving it a lot of grass, a lot of leaves, grasses, dried leaves and everything. So you can see it's bonding well with me and I did not get affected or anything. So we are still on the farm. I tried carrying the pigs, the one I could carry. You can see me carrying pigs and the ones that I could carry and everything. Yeah, so we're still on the farm waiting for the instructor to come, and so we're checking the animals, bonding with them and seeing how we could see everything going through them. So when we're waiting for the instructor to come, you can see the structure that we have over there. The structure is like quite old because the structure has been probably 10 to 15 years, as they said, because you can see around, and the structure is like really good and hard. We took pictures and everything, and we're waiting for the instructor to come. And so this is when everything started. When he came, our plan was to like learn more, ask questions and to like get used to like learn little more, but like I guess he had other plans, so we had to like rush and call one of the animals because he wanted to use it for something. So we had to, so you can see how we called the animals. So we started. These are the people that were with me, that came the visitation with me. So we started with the burning and everything. This was when we hanged it in this, we can call this a little abattoir. We started burning with petrol and palm oil. So you can see how it was going. So during this process, I was asking questions about the pigs and everything, how they eat, how they feed around and everything. So this is just the process of when they were removing the air, the inner air, the outer air from the body and burning it.
orí ibi ìpapọ̀ wọn wà ló pàṣẹ.
Well, we're done with the burning and we had to like continue the process of cutting and cutting the pig into pieces and everything. So we carried it and we're about to start to wash. Firstly we wash the body because of the petrol and the what we use to burn it. So we wash it with soap and water before we start the cutting and everything. So you can see it. You see it's quite easy to like kill. So this is where we are washing it and with soap and everything. We are washing it thoroughly, the whole body and everything. This process took like probably 5 minutes. So you see it's not something that hard to do or anything. So we were washing it. I was assisting in pouring water around the body. So we're done washing and it was time to start slaughtering. So I tried trying to cut it, but everybody criticized me about cutting it that probably I don't get injured. But like, so we started slaughtering the cutting and everything. We continue cutting it and trying to break the bones down to like easy pieces to eat and everything. So you can see I really assisted them a lot in the process of cutting the meat and everything. You can see it has a lot of meat around the body, and the pig is not even a very big pig, not very big like that. So assuming we killed the biggest pig, we don't even know the amount of meat we see like around the body and all. So we continued. So this was like the parts where we were cutting, breaking down everything. The visitation was like really nice. I learned a lot from the little hours I spent there. I like learned more than what I could and about farming and livestock and all. So we continued, we learned, and I was really happy I was able to like bring people along because they learned alongside with me. And they were really happy to like we were really happy to see each other, to learn from each other. And if you are planning to go into farming, pig farming is a really good venture you can want to go into if you have like the consultation and everything. So this was like when we were done with everything, we checked around the farm, we snapped pictures, and that was everything. So please, if you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.